All right. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jordan Luke, man. I'm here at PPR today. You know I gotta shoot today, so I gotta get that camera care kit, man. Follow me, let's go. Gotta go get it. All right, let's get it. Ooh, that's what I need right there. That's that camera kit. Let's do it. Let me get that. I need this right here, man. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. Right, have a good day. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Jordan Luke, man. I'm here at PPR today. Had to come pick up my camera care kit. I shoot with my Sony. I shoot a lot of sports, lifestyle, travel, a lot of dope stuff in general. Let me show y'all how I get down. So actually, man, the first time I ever seen the camera care kit, I was doing a shoot at Kirk Studios. He's the one that made it, and so I was like, man, let me see what it's talking about. Because especially with me shooting outdoors a lot, I definitely have to make sure there's no debris, no dust, none of that in my lens. So, gotta take care of your equipment, man, so it lasts long. So I ain't gotta buy another lens. With all the tools that they have, it keeps me updated. It's kind of like, it's almost like getting a pedicure or something for your hands. It's definitely like necessary for your camera too. You gotta keep that up to date. Cause you know, you use and you bruise your camera, you making your money, you all over the place. So I definitely like cleaning my lens, man. Keep everything sharp. I love it, man. I love that it's black owned too, man. So I'm definitely gonna support. Gotta get a couple of my boys to get some of these too. I feel great, really great. Got the Kirk Studios camera care kit right here at PPR. They hooked me up. Hey man, I gotta go to my shoot today. I appreciate y'all for kicking it with me, man. About to go make history. Hey, stay tuned for the results. Yeah.